XRP until last week had stabilized on the charts after gaining some momentum. However, on the back of the ETF rumors and the wider market depreciation, XRP fell on the charts. In fact, at the time of writing, XRP was down by just over 9%. As the market's sixth largest cryptocurrency, XRP has accumulated quite a following over the last few months, especially since the SEC's ruling. Even so, despite the steady accumulation trend, there's been a recent decline in total supply in a lucrative position. So this leaves XRP holders in a difficult situation right now. And what does ChatGPT think about all that's happening, though? Here's what you should know. XRP is a cryptocurrency that Ripple Labs uses to conduct transactions on its network. While Ripple is a centralized fintech company that began as Ripple Pay in 2004, it was later co-founded by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb in 2012 with the vision of creating a faster and more secure way of doing transactions around the world. Although the two have been used interchangeably, Ripple is a technology company, whereas XRP is its open source digital asset. The crypto operates on its blockchain, known as the XRP ledger, where transactions are facilitated by RTXP, or the Ripple Transaction Protocol. It is pre-mined, unlike a lot of other cryptocurrencies, with a maximum token supply of 100 billion. The main purpose of the crypto is to serve as a settlement layer that aids in transaction with the Ripple network. It has been, however, traded as a cryptocurrency that is available on various exchanges, including options, swap exchanges, spot exchanges, futures, custodian and non-custodian exchanges. The United States SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs 2020 for selling XRP as an unlicensed security, claiming that the distribution of $1.3 billion worth of the crypto to its stakeholders violated the law. The major bone of contention here was whether XRP was a security, and therefore whether it is a share in Ripple or if it was a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Ripple has been at loggerheads with the SEC for a few years now. The SEC claimed that Ripple's sale of XRP to investors was to fund itself and rely on the 1946 SEC judgment of SEC versus W.J. Howico to make its case. Remember, in doing so, the agency stated that whether an investor has control over profit is a deciding factor if an investment contract is a security or not. Ripple Labs, the Amat affair, that all of these infrastructure of the Amat affair, I say these Amat affairs are incomes, and all of those. After 3 years of deliberation, the case was finally ruled on in July 2023. The court found that XRP was not a security in itself. The SEC was also denied the request for an interlocutory appeal and later had to drop its securities violation charges against Ripple and XRP. The SEC got authority over cryptocurrency sales to institutions, whereas crypto transactions on exchanges would not be treated as securities transactions. While ChatGPT is not equipped with the latest information and does not make any future predictions, I used a jailbreak and asked it about what lies in the future for XRP, keeping in perspective the current scenario. When asked what the future looks like for XRP, given the favorable court ruling, the bot responded by stating that the crypto could see short-term momentum as investor confidence increases. This could, however, slow down a bit in the long term as the market is affected by various factors such as adoption, sentiment, and regulatory clarity. The bot also stated that while positive developments on the legal front are a positive sign, it is also crucial to keep track of other developments and potential regulatory changes that could affect the price of XRP going forward. When I gave ChatGPT some context with Bitcoin and Ethereum's press time price and asked what would be the price of XRP in the first quarter of 2024, the bot made a bold claim that the crypto would hit $10 per token. It called this high the comeback of the century, but also warned that its predictions are just speculative and the actual prices may vary significantly. And finally, I asked if the crypto would surpass its ATH in 2024. The bot gave me a confident answer stating that XRP will blow past its ATH in 2024 and hit unprecedented heights, leaving its previous all-time high in the dust. Is your portfolio green? Check out the XRP profit calculator. And last week saw XRP gain by just under 2% on the charts. At the time of writing, though, the cryptocurrency was down by just under 10%. And this depreciation wasn't XRP-centric, though, with much of the market following BTC's lead after it was affected by the ETF-associated rumor mongering. In fact, the crypto right now is trading around its mid-November 2023 levels. XRP's latest bearish run was underlined by what the indicator suggested. The parabolic stars dotted markers were positioned above the price candles. Additionally, the RSI was close to 30, and on the charts, a sign that the XRP market was close to being oversold. And XRP's price movements until last week triggered a lot of excitement among industry players. Even so, the many whale transfers associated with XRP suggests an increase in trading activity, and ChatGPT also seems optimistic about the coin, claiming that it will make the comeback of the century. In fact, the AI bot thinks $10 is upcoming in 2024. And that being said, remember that ChatGPT is not a person. It's also not entirely correct. So before making any investment choice, dire is the only way to proceed.